Do you want to make thousands of dollars on YouTube every single month? I know how to do that because I've done it myself already for a few years. I will show you some real life examples later in this video. For example, how I make $14,100 with this one website thanks to YouTube. How I made here more than $4,383 with just one click thanks to YouTube. And how I made $5,000 with a simple video where I didn't even show my face. If you don't know me before, my name is VidIQ. I'm from Finland. I'm the founder of the popular YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to make money online from home. And on this channel, YouTube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And today I will tell you how to become full-time YouTuber and 5 facts that nobody on our planet tells you. We'll start immediately with the first fact, and that is life as a YouTuber is much easier than I thought. Let me describe it for you in a few words. I can wake up whenever I want. I can work whenever I want. I can wear whatever clothes I want. I earn much more money than I ever earned in a 9-to-5 job. In a nutshell, I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, wherever I want, with whomever I want. So I have 100% freedom of my life. Let's compare the life of a YouTuber to a life of a typical 9-to-5 worker, and also what my life looked like when I was working in a 9-to-5 job. First of all, I had to wake up early. Or when I was a taxi driver many years in the past, I needed to stay up late. Then when I went to work in an office, I needed to do what my boss wanted me to do. I had to commute, so I had to sit in a car in order to go to work in the office. And then I needed to sit again in a car to go back home. And every single day that took time. I needed to try to satisfy my bosses, customer, clients, co-workers, whatever. And in a nutshell, I simply didn't have a freedom to do everything that I wanted to do. And on top of that, you know that in most 9-to-5 jobs, you cannot earn tens of thousands of dollars a month like you can earn on YouTube. So if we are 100% honest, being a YouTuber is a million times easier than working in a typical 9-to-5 job. When I was working in my last job, the only thing I was counting on is when I'm going to quit and start making money online full time. And once I quit my 9-to-5 job, it was one of the happiest days of my life, because then I knew that I'm going to make money online for the rest of my life, and I never need to satisfy the boss or customers or whatever. I can simply make money from my home wherever I want. And of course, when you make money on YouTube, you will get money automatically for months and years to come. So you will make money while you are sleeping, laying down at the beach, spending time with your loved ones. That wouldn't be possible in a typical 9-to-5 job. Now you might be asking me, but Roope, if it's so easy and so fun to be a YouTuber, why doesn't everybody do that? And I have a good answer for you. Anything new is hard until it becomes easy. And that also applies to YouTube. And the reason why most people don't want to become full-time YouTubers, make much more money, have much more freedom, is that they don't want to go through that hard part. They want to stay on their comfort zone doing what they already know how to do. But if you think about all the things that are now easy for you, in the beginning they were hard. For example, when you were a baby and you tried to start walking, in the beginning you fell down, it was hard. Or when you learned to ride a bike, I guess that you fell down a couple of times, you got some bruises, and eventually it became easy. Or when you learned to drive a car, in the beginning you were like, okay, how can I focus on all of these things at the same time? It was hard, then it became ultra easy. Or when you learned for the first time to type on your computer, I think you were,
where is the A, where is the B, or like where can I find all this?
Or when you were using a mobile phone the first time, all of these things were hard. But I guess now all of these things are easy for you. And in the same way, when you start on YouTube, it's hard. But then when you have done it already for a few years like myself, then making money on YouTube is really easy. First it's hard, and then it becomes easy once you learn it. And that's the reason why most people don't do it, because they don't want to go through that hard part until they would learn to make money from YouTube so easily. And I like to think about YouTube as an accumulation of all the little skills, and all of them together increase your income. For example, you learn how to record videos on your mobile phone by clicking record button, or you learn how to record videos on your computer by clicking a record button. Then you learn where you can click on YouTube to upload videos. You come right here and click upload video. Then you learn how you can drag and drop videos right here so they will upload directly to your YouTube channel. And all of these things one by one add up and they can increase your income. And one exciting thing I have found as a YouTuber is that once you increase your skills, your earnings also increase. In a typical 9-to-5 job, even if you make things better, oftentimes it doesn't show up directly in your income. But on YouTube, once you learn a new skill, it can directly increase your income. Third fact is that you just need that initial breakthrough on YouTube. I've seen so many people who want to make money on YouTube, who want to make money online, and many of them quit just before they are about to get their breakthrough and start making even a life-changing income online. But because they don't wait until that, they quit, then they never will enjoy the feeling when making money on YouTube is easy. In order for you to guarantee that you can get your breakthrough, I want to give you a couple of tips. The first one is that publish at least 100 videos on your YouTube channel until you expect any significant results. The number 100 is for the reason that you learn the muscle, you learn where you will upload videos, you learn what works for your channel and what doesn't work. You will get results faster as you become better at knowing your audience. And of course that leads us to the second tip, which is analyzing your results consistently. Because many people just aimlessly publish videos, they may publish 10 videos, 20 videos, and then they don't even analyze what works and what doesn't work. But if you do that, eventually you will get your breakthrough. And the fourth fact is that if you just don't quit, you can increase some life-changing results sometimes. I showed you in the beginning 3 quick examples from my own life. With this one website, I'm making more than $14,000 a month. One website. And of course, on top of that, also from all the other websites. Here, I earned more than $4,300 with just one click. Somebody clicked one link under my videos and I earned more than $4,000 with that. Here, I earned more than $5,000 with the simple video. If you are wondering, for example, how I made more than $4,000 with one click, I left a link to this popular website Binance, which is one of the biggest and most popular websites in the world with more than 120 million users. So I simply copied and pasted the link from this website. I left it under my video, and when somebody clicked it and took a lot of action, I earned more than $4,000. With this video where I made more than $5,000, I earned more than $1,000 from YouTube ads. So YouTube paid me money simply when people watched the ads on that video. And on top of that, I also earned thousands of dollars when people click the links in the description of my video. And how I make more than $4,000 with this one is, of course, when people click links in the description of my video. So you already start understanding that I make a lot of money when people click links in the description of my video. And that's what I also recommend, that use powerful monetization methods. Don't rely on methods that don't pay you enough money for a living. Use methods that can make you a life-changing income. And I recommend in the beginning, don't start calculating your hourly revenue. How much money do you earn per hour? And then start comparing that to 9-to-5 job, because it doesn't make any sense at that point. The difference between YouTube and 9-to-5 income is easily shown on this linear and exponential image. You notice that on YouTube, in the beginning, you will be close to zero, so you don't earn a lot. But when you break through, when you go through the initial breakthrough that I was talking, you don't quit, then your income can start growing exponentially. And eventually you can earn even tens of thousands of dollars if you are good at what you are doing and you follow the proven steps. Meanwhile, those people who are working in a 9-to-5 job, their income perhaps grows linearly, but not exponentially as for you as a YouTuber. So this is the goal that you will be aiming for this exponential growth. And this is also the reason why you shouldn't count your hourly income rate during these first months when you are just getting started and learning the initial skills. Of course, in the end, you can start calculating your hourly rate, because it's going to be much bigger than you could ever dream of in a 9-to-5 job. And the fifth fact for making YouTube your full-time career is that you just need to know 3 steps. If you repeat these 3 steps over and over again, I am convinced that you will make a full-time income from YouTube sooner or later. What are those 3 steps? First, you publish videos. Second, you analyze results, and third, you improve constantly. Because if you keep on repeating these 3 steps, your progress is inevitable, because when you publish videos, you get more views, you get more subscribers, you get more money, more impact. When you analyze on top of that the results, you will see what works, what doesn't work, so you will get results even faster. And when you keep on improving based on your analysis, that will accelerate everything even further. Now, of course, there is many ways to get that information. You can keep on publishing videos yourself to get more information, or you can also fast track your process by learning this directly from me and other full-time YouTubers. And that's why I encourage you to learn from my channel, because here we go through different ways how you can boost your income on YouTube and how you can even start as a complete beginner. And I'm always happy to help you. In the comment section below, I will be helping you out personally. And for those of you who want to get even more step-by-step tutorials, how to start a YouTube channel, how to create successful videos, how to upload and optimize your videos on YouTube, how to analyze and also monetize your YouTube channel, so make money from YouTube with the one-click strategy, how to get paid even before creating your videos, best way to make $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much more, then my program Tube Journey to Freedom will be great for you. So now, my friend, I invite you to come to watch the other videos on my channel for free. Ask me in the comments below the videos, and welcome to my program Tube Journey to Freedom as well.